Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to create poll in Instagram story. So let's get started. At first let's go to Instagram app. So here it is. Now we need to click on your story written over here. So let's tap on this. Now click on camera or simply select any picture. So let's go for camera for now. Now when you are done in the photo or the video, here we can see this sign over here. So let's tap on this, and here you can see this poll written over here. So let's tap on this. Now you can ask your question here. Now yes and no is already here, and to add option you can simply click on this. Now click on done. Now you can simply share it through this arrow in the bottom right corner. So this is it. So this is how you can create poll in Instagram story. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.